So this is my last resource that I'm going to share, and this is Khan Academy. So back when I was in high school, Khan Academy was just a couple YouTube videos where, this guy would explain some things and write it out on the board. But now they actually have this whole online learning platform for the kids. So it's really cool. I have not used it yet. I've explored it for another class and kind of been trying to modify things a little bit to make it accessible for my life science students and for kind of a biology review and for my biology extended learning students. So basically what you do is it's 100% free, and all of your students can access it too. Basically you can log on with your Gmail account or any other kind of email account. Just connects right away, which I really like. It's really efficient. You go ahead and you explain or you click which classes you teach. So then you can go on here and you can enter the name of your class. So name of this bio extended learning. You can pick what course it is, right? So we'd be doing high school biology essentially, which is what this is. And so then once you've set up your class, then you can go ahead and give assignments, and that's things like this biology foundations. So basically they have to go through these little videos. They first do a video, then they read an article. It's a variety of different resources that they can use that helps teach them. So that's kind of cool for kids who have different learning styles, which is all of our kids. And then at the end of that, they actually have a little unit test. So super cool. And that's that. So they have them for all sorts of different kinds of biology. So we have ecology, human body systems, evolution. They also have a bunch for math and STEM, including AP classes. So you can actually assign them homework on here, and they can log on using their Gmail accounts as well. You can monitor their progress, which, I don't have any students on here yet, so I'm not able to see that. And you can actually add your roster and be able to track each of them individually. So I feel like this is a really cool way to, and here's your class code up here where that's how they log on. I feel like this is a really cool way to differentiate for students so that they can work at different paces, work at different levels, and there's all sorts of, like we already talked about, there's videos, this is just samples, so it's not like I'm actually showing you somebody's grade. So it actually shows you what exercises they're excelling at, which ones they're kind of behind at. Anyways, so like I said, there's videos, there's articles, there's little exercises that they have to do, and then a unit test. So again, this is something that I don't have a lot of experience with yet. I've just started exploring it in another class as well, and I do plan on using it for my extended learning class, which starts in January. And so 100% free, easy to log on to, easy to navigate, really nice interface. And so I hope you guys also give it a try and let me know what you think.